Disastrous beauty. Disastrous beauty. It's disastrous beauty. It's the wig for me. It's disastrous beauty. Change up your look daily. Disastrous. It's disastrous beauty. It's the wig for me. It's disastrous beauty, baby. It's disastrous beauty. Change up.
Life goes up and it goes down. I know my mom taught me that. I figured why we fool around so little, and we keep track of time, being so serious. Idiots thinking it will matter, keep me company downtown before the clock runs out. Sun is shining, but the rain is welcome too. Friends are nearby, don't need another view. Time is not on my mind, but then it's you. Oh, I love it when the love comes around, and then I remember all things must pass. But I'm not gonna wake up, wake up. I'm not ready, let me have another day. Don't wake up, wake up. Keep it steady, cause I'm happy, I'm not gonna wake up. No, not yet, whoa. No, not yet, whoa. No, not yet, whoa. I'm afraid I'll end up nowhere. They keep saying I'll be fine, but how you know that I'll be there when it feels like I'm lying every time someone asks how it goes, and I save the details that actually mean something. Sun is shining, but the rain is welcome too. Friends are nearby, don't need another view. Time is not on my mind, but then it's you. Oh, I love it when the love comes around, and then I remember all things must pass. But I'm not gonna wake up.
Alright y'all, so I'm obviously finished styling this wig, and this is what I got. If you're interested in the details, the specs, and all those good things about this unit, then please continue to watch. Alright, so the unit that I am rocking was sent to me by Sterlyhair. Shout out to you, Sterly, for sending me this unit and sponsoring this video. I truly do appreciate it. So the unit that I am rocking is their HD Lace 5x5 Curly Wave Wig. It is 22 inches long and 210% density. So I'm going to go ahead and click on the site and give you guys the details and specs. Alright, so on their site it says Sterly 5x5 HD Lace Closure Wig, Human Hair Transparent Lace Deep Wave Wig. So the unit is available in both transparent and HD lace. You can choose which one you want to get or whatever. The densities that are available is 210, 180, and 150% density. All right, so on here it says Sterly 5x5 HD lace closure deep wave wig with the Swiss invisible lace. It says the texture is deep wave. The lace size is 5x5. It's available in natural color. It names the densities that I've already told you guys that it has it available in. It says pre-plucked hairline with baby hair, can be straightened, dyed, and bleached. The cap size is 22.5 inches. Customized products are non-refundable. I wanted to go ahead and throw that out there in case you know you do want that extra. Okay, so I don't know if a customized product would be like getting, if you have, like, I wear an average cap size, and in my opinion this unit is big head friendly, but honey, that elastic band they have on now, you really do not have to wear this wig you don't have to wear any spray or glue. Like, that wig is in place, girl. So you don't necessarily have to. I did because I felt like the lace wasn't blending like I would normally want it to. So I did use some spray, but I don't feel like you necessarily have to. So in my opinion, it is big head friendly, but take that with a grain of salt because I'm an average cap size. So girl, do with that what you want to do with that. Now, as far as shedding and tangling goes with this unit, I didn't notice any of that straight out of the packaging. I did get this mousse that Cynthia had been recommending. It's the Nairobi. I hope I'm saying that. Rapid Shine Foaming Mousse. And I did put that on my curls, and I'm really loving that. She said that she got it from Kira Sean's video. Shout out to her. So yeah, I decided to give it a shot, and so far so good. Like, shout out to you, Cynthia. Okay, that's a lot of shout outs, girl. Anyways, yeah, that's pretty much it as far as details and specs go. If you are interested in the pros and cons as well as a full 360, then please continue to watch. All right, y'all, so we're gonna start with the cons, because you guys know I like to end on a high note. And my con with this wig is gonna be that I feel like the hairline is extremely dense. Now, it did say it can't pre-pluck, but honey, that's dense to me. Okay, and so, and I may be on a bleaching kick, but your girl is not on a tweezing kick. I still do not enjoy tweezing wigs, so that'll be my con. The con is gonna be that this unit definitely will need tweezing. As far as my pros go, y'all know I live for a good closure. Okay, your girl love a closure. I'm a closure type girl, so I love that it's a closure. I actually do like the lace. Like, once I sprayed it down, I really do like the lace, and I love the curl pattern of this unit. So those are my pros. Yes, I would recommend this unit, despite it being pretty dense as far as the hairline goes. You know, that's neither here nor there with me. Like, for the most part, I always assume people know I'm wearing a wig, so it's not even a big, huge deal with me. But yeah, I would recommend it because I love the curls, and I love how easy it is to just throw this wig on. And like I said, you don't necessarily need to spray. I used the spray because I felt like it was looking a little ashy, but I don't feel like you necessarily need the spray. So if I'm like in a rush, I need to go somewhere with Juicy, or pick up Juicy, or pick up Journey, or whatever, I can just throw a girl on and be aight. Okay, so yeah, I would personally recommend this unit. All right, y'all, so I'm gonna go ahead and give you guys this full 360 so we can wrap this thing all the way up. So this is obviously the unit in the front. This is it on the left side. This is it in the back. I feel like you got, well, keep in mind I am 5'4". And this is it on the right side. So yeah, y'all, let me know what you guys think about this unit. I do want to go ahead and mention, in case you didn't see it at the very beginning of the video, that this wig does not come with any combs whatsoever. So that is either a plus or a minus. It just depends on you. But because that elastic band is so tight, it didn't even matter. So I want to throw that out there as well. So yeah, and if you are interested in purchasing this unit, I will have a direct link to it down below in the description box for your convenience. Once again, shout out to you, Sterlyhair, for sending me this unit and sponsoring this video. I truly do appreciate it. And yeah, girl, that's all. That's all. So if you like this video, give me a thumbs up. If you have any questions, feel like I may have left out, feel free to comment down below. And if you're not already subscribed, girl, click the subscribe button. It's not gonna cost you not one red cent. And if you're not ready to follow me on all my social media platforms, I am DizastrousBeauty on both the IG and TikTok. I'm helping to see on Snapchat, and I'm DizastrousBeauty on Twitter. And I will see you love bugs next time. Bye.